Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing? This is the final listing of these custom gas station restroom signs we've had made with one of our partners from the Mantiques Network. What you have here is a 20-inch thick gauge metal signs that were exact replicas of what was made back in the day. He's even painted it the antique white to give it that porcelain look which they originally came in. So if you are into gas and oil or just want some great signs for your display, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the